appearing on your feed randomly and suddenly, then firstly thank you so much for sticking with me on my channel for so long. And secondly, even if nobody is wondering where I was past couple of years and why wasn't I posting videos, I would want to tell you. Okay, so quick update. So back in 2021 I left India and came to US for my master's degree, and since then I tried recreating or restarting my YouTube channel for a couple of times, but somehow some or the other thing always got into the way. Okay, so right now I am in LA and this is my first time in LA and my second solo trip in the US. So my first solo trip was in San Diego, which I did last year, and I had a lot of fun over there. We in city for 2.5 days, and today was my day 1, and I had already started exploring the city. I have been to Griffith Observatory, which I'll be showing you in a minute, but let me take you first to the beginning and show you how I got here.
Streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
So right now I am in Griffith Park and I am not sure what else to do, so I'm just chilling for a bit here, and I think I'll head back to the hostel. So this is my room and I have checked in my hostel. I gotten ready and I think I'll just head out to Hollywood Walk of Fame and check out what is the night scene over there and probably get some dinner. Hostel where I stayed in San Diego as well, so I think this is a pretty safe chain they have all around the US. It's called Same Sun Hostels. Good morning, this is day 2 and I have got all ready. I had my breakfast and also I'm going to head out now. So yesterday was a bit impromptu, but today I have planned a bunch of stuff, so let's see how that goes. And I think today weather is also good, so let's see. I am in downtown LA right now and I'm just roaming around and I found this Angels flight. It happens to be the shortest railway. I think it just goes up to the stairs, so let's see if we can board that. So that was a fun ride and it was short one though. So the best part was I was all alone in the train and the fare cost is only just $1. Yeah, basically this is a park. I don't know if this is a corporate park or just in general some random park, but you can take Angels flight and come over here and just roam around the space. I feel downtown streets are pretty empty. Maybe it's Sunday or maybe I have just come very early in the morning.
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in
I finally got a seat and I thought of trying Korean food, and I have ordered chicken McZook grilled something. So it comes with rice. So let's see. That was LA downtown, and I got to see a bunch of places. It was a bit tiring, but yeah, right now I'm heading back to the hostel, and I'll get freshen up, and I think in the evening I'll head to Beverly Hills. So I have reached LA County Museum, but it has started pouring out again. So I'm not sure how much I will be able to explore, but let's see. Good morning. So this is day 3 and this is the last day in LA, and I have checked out of my hostel and now I'm heading to Santa Monica Beach. Oh, you can see Hollywood sign right over there. It's quite a bright and sunny day today, and I hope it stays like that.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No.
So with that, we come to an end of our trip, and I always feel sad while going back home, but I think I feel really grateful that I could explore so many places which was sitting on my bucket list for so long. And yeah, with that we come to an end. And if you like my videos, please do like, share, subscribe, and also mention what you think about this travel vlog in the comment section. And I hopefully will see you in next travel vlog. Till then, bye bye.